to field number 1. Looks like we have 1, 2 thumbs up. That means we're ready to go. Drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for playoff qualifier match number 75 here on Jones Field number 1. Off in that far launch zone for the blue team is the Royal Engineers, joined by Hyperion as they both cycle those artifacts from the human player area to collect as many as possible with the time that they have. It appears that the other Blue Alliance teammate, Girlsbots, has successfully left that near launch zone.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
With there being 2 leave points for both alliances. As we enter the driver control period, there is about a 40-point lead for the Red Alliance. This is nothing that the Blue Alliance can't come back from as they prepare. Girlsbots lining up in this near launch zone with their teammate, the Royal Engineers, coming in from that far launch zone to do the same as they clear that ramp. Hyperion keeping true to their strategy. They are doing the same thing as they are facing some defense from the Royal Engineers as they try to line up for their shot. Up close we have Legend, who is cycling through those artifacts. As soon as they shoot them, they go back around, they collect some more, and they do it again. The blue ramp is now full, so any artifacts that are classified count for overflow. They have to make that choice. Are they going to open it up? Which they do. It is on as we are nearing the final minute with about a 50-point difference. Blue has to figure out what they can do to make up that difference and get as close as possible to success. There is collisions going on between the 2 Red Alliance teams and the Royal Engineers as they try to do their part to play some defense against the Red Alliance team Legends, who are trying to shoot from that far launch zone. Blue Alliance finally figured out, and they have gotten that ramp open as they can get some more objects to be classified in that ramp for more points than the overflow is worth. The red ramp is also open. Both ramps are open as we enter the end game, and they have to fill it up as quickly as possible and as accurately as possible. With less than 10 seconds on the clock, we end in 5, 4, 3, and both alliances sharing that parking as we